Hi there and welcome to this video which is going to help explain how to use the magnets and electromagnetism simulation from PhET from the University of Colorado Interactive Simulations. Okay, so what you need to do on the activity is basically click on the link. When you click on the link, you're going to open up this window. I'm just going to open it up for you here. Just find my way down here. There we go. Okay, so there's the window that you're going to open up. I'll just enlarge it for you so that you can see what's going on. Beautiful. Okay, so you've got your bar magnet here, and that was used in an initial activity that you can see on the PhET website. I'm just looking at the bar magnet and looking at magnetism. But what you need to do is to click onto this area up here, which says electromagnet. So when you do that, you then have all of this information which comes up. So what we end up having is basically a magnet, a battery, and then you have coils of wire. Now if you come over to the right hand side here, you can see that we can be dealing with DC, or if I click onto AC, I can set up an AC current. Now for the activity that we're going to be using a DC situation. So you get a battery, and on the battery you've got this slider, and it goes from 0 volts in the middle. You go to the right and you can produce 10 volts, and then obviously if you go to the left it swaps the terminals so you can go in the opposite direction and see what's going on. So by sliding this slider here, you can control the amount of voltage which is generated, and obviously the amount of voltage, you can see as you increase the amount of voltage, the speed of the electrons moving also increases. Also down here you find you've got a load of different tabs that you can click onto. We've got show field, we can click that on and off. You can have a compass in there if you want it, you can click that on and off. You can have a show field meter, and you can just drag this around and see what happens. I tend to use just the B, the top value that you're going to get here, and basically where you put your crosshairs is the value that you're going to get. So in this activity we'll be using that to look at how the magnetic field strength occurs as we move through it. You can have your electrons showing on or off, so there's a variety of different things that you can have in there. Close everything off, and I might just put the electrons in, and then where you see here loops, the maximum you can go up to is 4 loops, and then as obviously if you decrease you can then go down and start off with 1 loop. 1 loop is predominantly 1 wire. So that's the way that that's how you use the website. Obviously you can pause it. If you come down to the bottom, and you should have this on your computer, especially if you're using a Mac here, you have a grab function which will allow you to take screenshots of the areas and then post them into the activity as you work through. Okay, well I hope you found that useful. Literally it's just an introduction into the simulation. When I set up the activity, I feed you through all the various things that you can use, and yeah, I hope you have fun. Hope you learn some stuff. If you do have any problems, don't hesitate to drop me a line. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to you meeting me again. Bye for now.